Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this one, as you can tell with the title, it's going to be a tutorial on how I mounted my dash cam and radar setup. So a couple of you guys have been asking ever since I posted up that what you need to have for your Supra. So let me go ahead and show you guys the setup just because there's some online guides out there where, they show you the diagrams, but nothing really on YouTube. So hopefully this does help. So let's go ahead and get to it. Here we have the Supra looking clean as always. So if you guys didn't know, hopefully you guys can see it through the reflection, but there's the dash cam. It's the Garmin 65W, and then I am running the Uniden R7. So this Hardwire kit for both the dash cam and the radar, you can purchase it from Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below. But as you guys can see there, it's clean. I know some people, they run the wiring from their dash cam or radar to the cigarette lighter over here, but I hate that because I don't like the look. So let's go ahead and show you what I did. So I'm routing it through the passenger side, and you guys might be wondering why I did that. And the reason for that being is that the fuse box is actually over here in the footwell of the passenger. So I think a lot of German cars are like that. This is my first quote-unquote German car. So what you basically can do is just pull this headliner a little bit and then just go ahead and tuck the wires through there. That's literally all that I did. I ran it through here. You can kind of see the wire right there. I routed it through here because I wasn't able to pop this over, and I just don't want to, there's an airbag right here. I don't want to fuck that up. So I ran it through this crease, through this weather stripping. You can kind of see the wiring in there. Ran it down through here, and then you can kind of see where this is bulging. So if you guys have a Supra, you can see it. And then I ran it through there. All right. So this is the footwell again. So to access the fuse box, if you have all weather mats, you'll have to move it over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you'll have to remove this top panel right here. There's actually just two little clips, kind of a bitch if you already did this, or if you've ever removed this, it's kind of annoying to do it, but you just twist this. Then on the other side, you have another one right here. Mine's just loose just because, it stays on there. It doesn't rattle or anything. And then once you actually unclip it, then this should just come out. All right, so I got that off. Let's go to move this bad boy down. And then here is that fuse panel. So you'll actually need to remove this plastic piece right here, this plastic trim. So if you go, I think you should just be able to pop it off. Yep. There you go. So it just pops right off. It's just like a clip right here. So you just pop that bad boy in there. Well, you actually need to remove this entire trim panel. It's been a little bit, so I apologize. So kind of what you'll need to do first is pop this trim panel here. Then you'll be able to remove this bad boy. And then you can see my crazy wiring just because I'm running the Visconti Flex Fuel kit and the Reflex Flex Fuel, so it's kind of just all over the place right now. But I'll go ahead and just pop up the diagram, like which one I tapped into. So there's only one accessory one, and I wasn't really a fan of just tapping one on top of the other. So like I put the dash cam on first, then I did the radar. And so I didn't want to tap the radar into the dash cam into that accessory, just because I didn't want to deal with that. So what I actually did was I tapped into the seat fuse, and the only problem that I had is that it actually blew the fuse once, but I just, fixed that and then it was good to go. So no other problems. It turns off and on with my vehicle, which is pretty great. So it does the same exact thing as the dash cam, and I've never had any problems with it. So that is pretty much it. I'll put these pieces back together. So hopefully that does help you guys. If there's any other questions that you guys have from my car that I've done and you guys are wondering how to do it, just because some of them, there's not really a lot of resources available on the internet, and I want to make sure that I do provide resources for my viewers. So if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If it wasn't helpful for you, leave a thumbs down. Feel free to leave a comment down below and subscribe. So hopefully I can see you guys in the next one. Thanks.